welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'll be making curry chicken. This video was requested by a few persons, you know yourself. So yeah, so I'm about to show you everything that I will be using. So first I have some fresh season here. So I have thyme, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, few pimento seeds, some onion over there, Irish potato, garlic, and carrot. All right, so these are all my fresh season that I will be using in my curry chicken. All right, and I have some powder season that I will be using when I'm making my chicken. I don't normally like a lot of season on it, like all purpose and chicken season with the curry and a little ginger powder. That's it for me. But guys, you can go ahead and use whatever season you want to put on your chicken. All right. Okay guys, so that's my chicken there. It's already cut. I like to cut my chicken in small pieces when I'm doing curry chicken, as most people do. I use lime juice to wash my chicken. You can also go ahead and use your vinegar, but I just prefer to use my lime juice or lemon to wash my chicken. If I don't have lime juice or lemon, then I'll go ahead and use my vinegar. You can still use your vinegar, nothing ain't wrong with that. So when I wash my chicken, as you know guys, sometimes there's water that is still draining from the chicken. I will go ahead and I will keep on draining that until no water is there, right? Then I will go ahead and season my chicken, right? So I'm just using all-purpose and chicken season on my chicken. You can use whatever season you like, but I don't like to use like a lot of different season on my meat. I'll use a little ginger powder or garlic powder with my chicken season, all-purpose season. That's about it. But as I said, you can go ahead and use whatever you want. All right, so let's just go straight into it. So I have my all-purpose season here, so I'm going to use this one. I don't really use measurement when I'm cooking, but for the video I'll do it. And as I said, a lot of person asked me to do this videos, so I'm going to use measurement on this one. As my grandfather would have said, him just dash a little bit of this and a little bit of that in there and seasoning meat. All right, so we're going to use, so guys, this is 3 pounds of chicken, right? It doesn't look like 3 pounds, but it is 3 pounds of chicken. So I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season there. Just going to use 2 of that. Sometimes I put my season into a bowl and just mix everything together, but there are different ways that I do it, all right? So, and I have my chicken season here. I'm just going to use 3 teaspoons of that chicken season, like that. Actually that's 2.5, but that's fine. All right, and I have some ginger powder here that I'm going to use. I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of our ginger powder. That's it. And I have my curry here. I'm using Better Pot curry, guys. You can use whatever curry you like, but I personally like my Better Pot curry. So I'm just going to pour a little on it. Say 1 teaspoon of curry, like that. I'm also going to burn some curry in the pot before I prepare the meal, and I will show you that. This season have a lot of salt in it, guys, so I won't be adding any salt into on my chicken. I'm sorry, but you can go ahead if you want to add your salt. Go ahead and add your salt. I don't like to add any salt on my chicken because the seasons already have salt in it. Sorry. So I have my garlic. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my thyme. Just going to cut them into 2 pieces. I'm just going to do that. Just cut it into 2 pieces like that. All right, and I have my pepper. I like my curry chicken a little spicy, guys. You don't have to use a lot of this pepper. So I'm just going to cut another piece like that into it. And I have my onions. Just going to place them in there like that. All right, and I'm gonna add my carrots there like that. All right. And I have my scallion here. What I normally do, guys, let me just remove this to just show you this. Now, sorry about that. And I'll be taking back my chicken here. But I have my scallion here, I'm sorry. So what I'm gonna do, my little bowl here, I'm just gonna beat them to make it smash out a little. I like it like that. You can go ahead and cut it up, you know, nothing wrong with that, but I just like to beat it. So I'll just beat it like that. That's fine. I'm just gonna put that on my chicken. But I also have my pimento seeds. I'm also gonna do the same because I don't like to eat my food and have a lot of pimento seed in it. So when you smash it out like that, then you won't have that problem, all right? Beautiful. So look at that, guys. See? Very nice. And if you don't have this, you can get a piece of paper towel, wrap your scallion in and your pimento and just use a bottle to beat it, and same way, right? I'll also show you how to do that. All right, so just let me get my bowl. And I'm just gonna use my hand and clean all the time when I'm cooking. I wash them thoroughly and we just add that, all right? Like that. And I have my garlic and I will be doing the same. You can use your garlic presser as well to do that. Also gonna do the same thing with the garlic. So we're just going to smash it like that. Just beat the garlic, so it's the same thing. It's gonna make a lot of noise, so I'm not gonna really do it long here. I'll come back to show you, all right? So guys, I said I was gonna show you how you do it with the bottle if you don't have those fancy stuff, all right? I used to do this before I got those. So I just leave a piece of garlic there. So you get it in your napkin and you fold it, right? You can do that with the pimento as well and your scallion. Or as well, you don't have to beat it like this, but I prefer that. And you just use your bottle. See? And you do that, all right? And this is it. Let me just open it for you like that, you see? Okay guys, so that's that. All right, so I have everything here, all my seasoning. I'm just gonna use my spoon to just combine everything. You can use your hand. I use my hand sometimes, but today I'm using my spoon. Just combine everything together like that. Guys, comment down below and let me know what you like to have your curry chicken with. Me, from a curry, so white rice is a must. All right, or dumpling, yam and banana with my curry chicken. All right, whatever you want to have it with, each to their own. You try to get everything in to the seasoning, right? And guys, you can blend your seasoning as well, you know, your scallion, your thyme and your pepper and garlic, and do so. You can do that as well. This is my Irish food, but that's fine. All right, so I will not be leaving this to marinate overnight or for 2-3 hours. I'll just leave this to sit for like 30 minutes. For best results, you can leave it to marinate overnight. Yeah, it still tastes good. You can just cook it, season it and cook it right away. I call that slap way. Cook it right away. Tastes good same way, but most people marinate it. But I won't be doing that, but you can do that overnight or for 2 hours. What I normally do, I normally get a little oil, just pour it over my meat like that, just a little bit of oil, any oil, right? And just rub everything together. Rub it and make that marinate. All right. And this will be cooked after 30 minutes. And then I tell you, say, it I got taste really good. All right. I'm gonna say really good. I mean really good. All right, people. So there you have it there. So I'm gonna cover this now. Let it stay there for half an hour, and then the pot time, right? So look at that, beautiful, nicest seasoning, and so very lovely. Guys, I don't use sweet pepper in my curry chicken. I really don't like the taste of the sweet pepper in my curry chicken. You can go ahead and add the sweet pepper if you want, but I don't put sweet pepper in my curry chicken. I think it just make it taste a little different with the sweet pepper. I don't do that. But if you like, you can go ahead and do that, or you can try it this way, because my tell us this tastes really, really good, all right? And I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I have my pot on my stove, my good old Dutchie. Long time I have the Dutchie here. Far where I come from, I love my Dutchie. So we're just gonna pour a little oil in it, a little bit of oil, not a lot of oil. So this is fine. Then I'm gonna add my garlic, all right? To it, because we're gonna burn our curry. So we have our garlic, and we'll leave that to burn just a little, and then we're gonna add our curry into that. So that's 2 teaspoons of curry I'm gonna add in there. I'm gonna use my spoon to just make that burn, alright? Like that. Just gonna make that burn. Beautiful. There's a bit of my onion got into it, but that's fine. Let me just remove that. Let me just remove that. So just allow the curry to burn, and then we have our meat in there, alright? Okay, people, now that our curry is burned, we're just going to pour everything into the pot, alright? Like this. Pour everything. Then we're going to give it a stir. Like that. See how lovely this looks? Yes, guys. Everything, Irish potato, everything in there, like that. Beautiful, nicely. And now we're going to cover our pot and allow our chicken to sweat, to make its own water. Okay, guys? Alright, I'll be back. So we're going to cover our pot. Look at that. Look at the goodness there. Look at that. Let's check on our chicken, guys. Let's see. Wow, look at all that goodness, guys. Make its own water. Look at that. Lovely. Pot of bubble. Let's give that a turn. Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that, guys. Yummy. Can't wait to eat this. Ooh. Guys, to eat. This is really looking lovely. Looking beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful this looks. Look at that. Really good. It's coming on very well. Look at that. Look at all that goodness, guys. Look at that. All right, beautiful.
15 minutes later.
Okay, so let's check our pot, see what's going on. All right. So that's a steam, guys. So you guys steam it a little. There. All right. Check it, guys. Okay, we need to add a lot of steam going on, guys. So we need to add our water in. So I'm just going to do that. So we're going to add our warm water in. Alright, and I'm going to allow that to finish cook the chicken. Guys, a lot of steam going on. I don't think you see much there, but the curry chicken color is very pretty. So I'm just going to cover that and allow it to cook, alright? But I'll show you the finishing touch. Okay guys, so I'm just going to put a little all-purpose in it, like that. Just a little bit more. And just a piece of fresh thyme, because I've tasted it and I wanted just a little more all-purpose in there. Because remember, I'm not adding any salt. Alright. So, yes guys, look at that. Almost finished, so we're just going to leave it to further cook. Alright. Nice.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, my curry chicken is finished. Look at how lovely this is. Nice. The gravy is amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.